Hi everyone, I'm Jin. Today I'm at Sentosa. I'll be visiting the Imbiah Trail, which I'll be taking a walk throughout the Imbiah Trail, which is a newly open trail walk that is available in Sentosa, which leads you all the way to Sentosa, Fort Siloso. And it's also another new attraction which you all can visit when you are at this Sentosa. So if you are interested in this kind of walking, trailing kind of video, make sure to hit the like button so that you will be promoted out to more people who might enjoy this kind of video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, alright? So that's for good. Around here is the Imbiah cable car station, where over here is the place that you purchase your ticket. So if you haven't been here before, or if you are going to look from afar, you might not notice where is the Imbiah Trail entrance. So where you have to go to is to come over here, but you can see over here is the Imbiah lookout, and walk into this door, and it will lead you to the entrance of the Imbiah Trail. Let's continue with the walk. Do you want to make a guess what is the previous attraction that used to be on over here before the renovation? Comment down below and let me know. Right below here is the old Monorail, which operates since the 1982 all the way to 2005. It's a non-air conditioner monotrain that brings you from one end of Sentosa to the southern part of Sentosa, which is all the beaches like the Palawan Beach. Right now, it's been taken over by the better and more utilities Monorail train, which brings you from the VivoCity all the way to the southern part of the Sentosa. And it's much faster and much efficiency, and also best of all is the air condition, because it's pretty hot when you are here in Singapore. As you all know, it's much closer to equator, therefore it's a lot hotter in Singapore. With the air conditioner, it's much better and cooling for you to take your train ride and also have the better scenery around the Sentosa. You all can read all the memories and also the info right over here on the watch lookout. now I'm at one of the lookout point over at the Imbiah Trail, which right over here you can see people can play those. I'm not quite sure what is that, but they would climb over here, and also there's a place where you can swing all the way down to the beach, which is somewhere around here. I'm not quite sure how to locate the place, but you'll be able to see the Palawan beach, which is right over this side of the area when you are at the lookout point. When you look at the southern side of the lookout is where you can see the sister island, which is right over here, the sister fairway, and also the Jong fairway, which is on this direction, the Pulau Sarawak and transfer station of Semakau Landfill, which is made out of the 7-kilometer rock wall around the sea place between the Pulau Semakau and Pulau Seking. A daily barrack carry ashes and other waste from the Tuas Marina transfer station to this Semakau transfer station, which is right over here. Whereas for the Pulau Sebarak is also known as the Middle Island, is used for the storage of oil when Singapore was occupied by the British, and today the land continues to be a key storage facilities for the range of the petrochemical products. I finally finished the entire Imbiah Trail walk throughout the Sentosa, where you can get close to the nature and also have a look at the battery forces, which was once mounted over here, and is at the end point. So in the next video, I'm going to show you the Fort Siloso, which is also at the another far end of Sentosa, which also act as a forces of the coastal defense, which will tell you more about it and show you all the entire facilities. And for that, do anticipate on the next video. So if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm mainly posting videos that are related to travel, hotel, and also food related topics. And if that's what you're really interested in, then you shouldn't miss out on any of my future videos, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!